Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Today's video, we are going to be checking out my new Colony 20-inch all black bike. I got it just for my birthday today, and well, my birthday's not today. I got it like before my birthday. My birthday's in a couple weeks, but my bike, my old bike, remember my previous video where I got 15 feet? Yeah, that bike broke 2 days ago. The back thing, like, I don't know. We would have to buy a whole new back tire, and that bike was already falling apart. So after that, I was hitting more like 15-foot gaps, and like it was just falling apart. It's such an old bike. I had it since I was grade 3. So my cousin went to town, got a new bike, and yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, we're back downstairs. So, ready for the big reveal? So, first, let's talk about it. So, it is a Colony, yep, that's all I gotta say. It's a Colony, and I'm gonna put pedals for my old bike, some pedals for my old bike. I already have the seat on there for my old bike. I'm getting some new grips for my birthday, and then I'm getting Vans Colt tires. Here it is. It might not look special, but I don't know if you guys can notice, but it is an overall smaller bike than my old one. Yeah. This has brakes. So today I learned how to a Bubica. If you don't know what that is, you basically go up a ramp, and once you feel like you're going, ow, my shin. So you go up a ramp, a Bubica, you go up a ramp, and once you feel like you're going down, you pull on your brake, and then you lean backwards and hold it. Then you go down into fakie and roll out of it. So yeah, I learned that today, and I also learned how to 180 a G. I learned how to 180. I learned how to G-turn. So yeah. Oh my god. Choking. So now we're gonna give it an overall review. It looks like. Yeah. We got the dice down there. Finally got brakes. I was dying for those. Sorry, the chain's kind of rusty. Let's put my old chain on it, but I'm gonna put Vans Colt tires on here. I don't know if they'll fit, so I don't know. That's the seat for my old time. Turn it around. Oh my god, I just dropped it. Yeah, that's it. So I couldn't get any clips from today, but I was just too excited to do anything. So let's just show you guys a little fakie. Okay, this is gonna be hard, but I'm gonna do a fakie. Got sandals on. Yeah, ghetto setup, by the way, but okay. This is gonna be kind of hard because I'm in sandals, but hopefully we'll get it first try. Let's try that again. Okay, that's better. That was better. That was better. Okay, let's do the outro. Now I'm gonna be jumping Carson.